Listen up, Titans of tomorrow. Life isn't a polite dinner party, it's a goddamn riot. Chaos is everywhere, and guess what? That's your raw material, not your downfall. Stop waiting for the universe to give you a break. Grab that savage pulse beating in your chest and slam it into overdrive. Every obstacle is a shot of jet fuel for those with the guts to harness it. You're not here to tiptoe through the mess. You're here to grind it down, forge your will, and turn that wild energy into your unstoppable power engine. Stand up and burn brighter.